What's up, guys? Gonna start this one off a little bit different. At the shop, gonna pick up the dump trailer here. Gotta hook it up, and then over there we've got an old fence, or I guess an old gate you could call it, and we're gonna take that up to the property today and hopefully install it, just to give us just a little bit of you know, security, just so people aren't kind of like driving in and out. Also, wanted to show you guys something too. This is the Vevor 58-gallon diesel fuel tank, and you can see it's got a fuel gauge there. It's already got a filter built in, like a gas station style pump. It's got this lid that kind of closes on it. So yeah, that's going to be really helpful at the property, so we don't have to carry the jerry cans back and forth from the gas station to fill up. But next video, probably the next video, I'll show you guys this and how it works, setting it up. I did already put it all together, but I'll go over this in more detail in the next video. Better. I wonder if we couldn't have started it in the hole or something.
Huh? Well, you sink it, just crank it. I mean, how else you gonna start it without leaving it filled up?
It had a bunch of good reviews though. People were, I mean, they posted pictures. They drove 50 holes with the thing. I think
I'd send that thing back. When you told me it was 130 miles, no way, that don't work. Hey, can you weld that? Maybe.
I mean, hey, that worked.
Tell them send you another one.
All right, guys. Well, if y'all are looking at the Extreme Power US auger, it ran, it started good, but the thing cracked all the way around right there, literally without even using it.
You think we can stick it down in further?
Yeah.
Probably shouldn't use 2x.
All right, guys, here's another day. We just got here with the tractor and the bush hog, put it in the dump trailer. We are just trying to clean up the front of this property just a little bit. And what I'm realizing, there's a ton of debris, trash, wood, parts of this sign, but mainly just trash and, you know, 2x4s, 4x4s, that kind of stuff like that. But anyway, he's back there at the end, just kind of making a couple last passes, and then we're gonna go to the back of the property and see if we can't clean out just a little bit of the little open grassy field. All right, got the drone up in the air, so hopefully I'll do like a little time lapse and let you guys see kind of what's going on a little bit better than you do now with this GoPro. But anyway, he just loves running the tractor, but he's gonna be back there cleaning out right behind that big tree that fell, and there really wasn't much back there, and really we had a frost and it pretty much killed all this grass anyway, but it's still pretty tall. So we're just trying to clean that up a little bit. Eventually I'm gonna move this big tree that fell down. That's where a big snake was that we found. This is the part that he had just done, and it looks much better. It's a little bit cleared out. This is actually a good spot for one of the first cabins, so that's why I wanted to kind of just clean this up a little bit. So actually, more that I'm thinking about this, I might even actually try and clean out all this. There's a bunch of little tiny oak trees, and I want to keep the oak trees, but all this, I don't even know what that is, thorn bushes or whatever, but I mean, it's real thick all the way through here. So I don't know, it might actually look better if I do just kind of clean out the thorn bushes. All that over there is thorn bushes in between the trees. So I don't know, I'm gonna see what his thoughts are on that, and then we'll figure up a game plan. But that actually might be, and also too, all these thorn bushes might grow up these trees, as you can kind of see. It's already starting to happen, and it might end up killing them. So let me figure that out. So we talked about it, and yeah, I think trying to clean out as much of the thorn bushes as possible with the bush hog while we have it here is a good idea. And then I'm gonna have an excavator here, so I think what I'll have to do is probably just scrape out the rest of them and get the roots out. That way they're not growing back right away. All right, so that pretty much does it for today. He is behind me. He just went down this one trail just to kind of get a few of the bigger things out the middle of it. Yeah, we're pretty much done with today. We ended up going through that middle section over here. I'll try to show you. Ended up going through the middle section just to get all those little briar bushes or whatever those were. And we didn't get all of them, but we got most of them. So let me walk through it real quick. All this was cut, looks much better. And we weren't able to get all of them because they're real close in between these trees, but cleaned out most of this. So it'll make it easier once the excavator's in here just to kind of dig out in between the trees and get all the smaller stuff. But that pretty much does it for today. And yeah, be on the lookout for the next video, because there should be some more exciting stuff coming. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.